little astronauts! I'm Sparky, and welcome to our amazing space adventure! Today, we're going to explore the incredible planets in our solar system. But first, we need to get ready for our space mission! Everyone say with me! 2, 1, blast off! Woo! Here we go, up, up, and away into space!
Wow! Look at that beautiful blue-green planet. Can you guess its name? That's right, it's Uranus, is the 7th planet from the Sun. It's one of the biggest planets in our solar system.
Uranus looks blue-green because of a special gas called methane. Isn't it beautiful? Guess what? Uranus spins on its side. It's the only planet that rolls around the sun like a giant ball. Guess what? Uranus has 28 known moons. Every moon travels around the planet. Uranus has rings too. They're much darker and thinner than Saturn's rings. Uranus is huge. About 63 Earths could fit inside Uranus. Here's a super fun fact. Scientists think it may rain tiny diamonds deep inside Uranus.
So today we learned Uranus is the 7th planet, spins sideways, has 28 moons, thin rings, and may even have diamond rain.
Which planet should we explore next? Don't forget to like and subscribe to Sparky Science. See you on our next space adventure. Bye-bye, little scientists.